Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a couple of very cool gadgets from DJI Osmo. And here I have got a tripod, an adapter and a strap from DJI Osmo. So I'm not sponsored by DJI, so I just bought these products for my own use and I thought maybe I also review it. Well, let's start with the tripod. Let's open up the box. Pretty small box I would say, so it doesn't need my cutter. You can open it by hand. So quite a nice package, I would say, really small. The tripod is also actually quite small, so looks like this. There we go. Nice package, just like everything from DJI. And here we are. That's how it looks like. Pretty cool. So if you are curious how it looks like, basically this is my DJI Osmo. And you need the adapter for this, and then you can just basically tie this to the bottom of the extension. Yeah, very simple. And that can be opened as well, just like this, and that's the stand for it. So pretty simple. Very nice design and pretty good quality as well. Yeah, that's the first gadget. The second one is the expansion adapter. So basically this is something that my intention was to connect this one to my backpack. That would be very cool when you go for hiking, or if you go to somewhere really nice on a mountain or the sea or whatever. So basically you can connect your Osmo to this adapter and mount the adapter to this strap. This strap would connect to your backpack. Yeah, that's the intention of it. So let's open up the box. There we go. Pretty small box as well. And that's how it looks like. There's also a user manual here. I'm very curious what they write actually on this user manual. It's a very small thing. Okay, alright, so it's a very small thing just to explain how to mount it. That's how it looks like. Let's open it up. So this one, the plastic is really tough, I would say, so let's just tear it apart. Alright, oops. That's it. Very cool thing actually. So looks like this. Well, I think we need to look at the user manual indeed. So let's have a look at this one. So number A, we need to open this. Alright, and that make it alright a little bit more loose. And then you put the Osmo inside, and this should be the front. Then you close it basically. Can be completely even opened, just like this. And then you tighten it. Let's check it out. So this is then closed. I open it. Let's get the Osmo. Looks like basically this. From the front, but this opened, I will just put it like this one. From here, or indeed we need to completely open it, I think, from here. Yes, that's correct. Then put it here. Well, I don't get it actually how it connects. So number A, just like this, and then this is the Osmo. You just push it inside. But somewhere this is getting stuck in here. So I don't get it actually. Alright, so now it's a little bit like loosen up. No, doesn't go in. Perhaps we can try it this way. I mean, we put it in here and then we close it in here. Just like this. From the back, and then we close it. There we go. Yeah, that's how it works. So to open it, basically put it in and then take it off. Let's try it one more time. So I'm not sure what would be the lifetime of this thing, so it doesn't look like a very reliable solution to me. It's also quite interesting, I mean, like a funny design. So look, I opened it. This is the Osmo. So you put it here, basically visually you fit it in, then you close the lid from the back side, just like this. Then you put it here, and then you close it. That's how it look like. Well, I hope it doesn't scratch the device. It's also a plastic. It's pretty much the same quality as itself. But nevertheless, it's a very tough plastic, so it could indeed actually scratch. Not in this case, I mean, I don't see any scratch anywhere. But yeah, one shall be careful actually how you're gonna use this. Okay, good. No, I don't see any scratch. Alright, that's the second thing. Let's put this back. That was our second gadget. And the last one. So this is, as I said, so is the mounting for basically the adapter, just like this, so that you could connect it to your backpack. Let's open this also up, just like this one. So nice pack, a little bit larger this one. That's how it looks like. So there is one screw in here to basically plug it to the adapter, like this, and this is the strap itself. Pretty simple. That's what it is. So you can connect it to your backpack basically, just like this. And then on the other side you have got this one here, so you need to push it in here, and then you have the screw. Very simple. You just pass it through here, and this will connect eventually to the other side, just like this, and you just need to tighten it. Look, now it can go up and down, just like this, and you can fix it here by pushing it a bit more. So now imagine this is connected to your backpack. This is your OSMO, like this. And basically while you are walking, you know, this can also capture. Yeah, that's the idea of this. Again, what I don't understand is like why they are selling these two separately. I'm not aware if this adapter has a different leg actually, or a connection to something else. At least I didn't find anything else, but I don't understand why they are different. So they are something around, I think all three of them around 60 euro, I would say, or basically in dollar would be probably like 65 or 70 dollars, I'm not sure. So but again, I mean, like these two are the same thing. Okay, I understand this is different. Theoretically speaking, I expect this one to be in the box of DJI OSMO, because, well, how it comes, you theoretically cannot put the device like straight up. You need something for it, and that's what you need, and that should be in the box. So this is something that everyone must have it. I would say this is a must definitely, but these two, if you want to go outside and capture a video outside without holding the device in your hand, I think that's the best thing. Using this, you can also basically, if required, connect the battery from the bottom. I mean, this thing from the bottom is open, so you can charge the device at the same time as well. Pretty useful, I would say. Well, that was a quick video. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I always have new videos coming up on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.